People, this is one of these very odd videos that I make. In terms of just now I've been trying to record this one video, and while I'm recording, either my hair is not in place or thoda sa makeup idhar udhar ja raha hai and all, and I'm so caught up in all of that, I'm just recording it midway and then stopping it. Is that वो जो finally what I have to speak, वो essence is getting lost, you know. So now I realize things that really make an impact in life, it's not so much the picture perfect things that make the cut, you know. It's that soul behind it, and for that soul it should be just natural, you know. So it's a big learning for me, I think. So for any YouTuber out there, see, background noise and music also is happening, I mean, you know, just continue with it, because in the end it's the essence of a piece of a YouTube video, of a writing, that counts far more than the technicalities. Something new I learned, yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.